Hello everyone, glad to have you here. Today I'll guide you through an important privacy setting in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. By following this simple tutorial, you'll learn how to block embedded content on websites, which helps protect your personal information from being used without your permission. Open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, go down and select Site Settings. Now tap on Site Permissions from the list of options. Following this, choose Embedded Content from the list. Finally, turn off the toggle for embedded content to block it. Thank you for watching. By disabling embedded content, you enhance your online privacy and security. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.